Tired of wasting hours clicking through endless menus in Excel? That stops today. In this video, I'm revealing 20 powerful Excel shortcuts that will make you work twice as fast and look like a true Excel pro. Let's jump in and transform the way you use Excel. Shortcut number 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus $ to format as currency. Your sales column is full of plain numbers, and let's be honest, it doesn't scream professional report. First, highlight the sales column. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus $, and instantly every value is formatted as currency. Shortcut number 2, Ctrl plus Shift plus # to make dates professional. Right now, your date column might look like a jumble of numbers. First, highlight the date column, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus #. Instantly, Excel transforms those serial numbers into clear, readable dates. Shortcut number 3, Ctrl plus T, transform data into a table. You've got a raw list of employee sales records, names, departments, sales amounts, dates, and remarks. Right now, it's just plain rows. To convert it into a table, first highlight the entire dataset by pressing Ctrl plus A. Then press Ctrl plus T. Hit Enter, and instantly your range transforms into a smart table. Professional formatting so column headers pop. Built-in filters to instantly view only marketing department sales. Sorting tools to rank top performers. Shortcut number 4, Ctrl plus Shift plus L to filter your data. Picture this. You've got a long list of employee sales records. Now, your manager only wants to see the marketing departments, instead of scrolling endlessly. Just highlight any cell in your dataset, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Instantly, filter arrows appear at the top of every column. Click the arrow in the department column. Uncheck everything except marketing. Hit Enter and boom, now you're only seeing marketing department. When you're done, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L again to remove all filters and bring back your full data view in seconds. Shortcut number 5, F4 to repeat last action. Let's say you've highlighted Jane Doe's sales figure to make it stand out. Now you also want to highlight Emily Davis and Sarah Brown's sales in the same way. Just move to the cell and press F4. Excel instantly repeats your last action. It works for more than just formatting. Shortcut number 6, Ctrl plus semicolon to insert current date. Let's say you've just closed a big sale and need to record it in the date column of your sales log. Instead of typing the date manually, click the cell. Press Ctrl plus semicolon, and Excel instantly drops today's date. No typing, no formatting hassles, just an instant, accurate timestamp. Shortcut number 7, Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon to insert current time. Imagine you just updated Jane Doe's marketing sales figure and need to record exactly when you made the change. First, place your cursor next to her entry. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon, and Excel instantly inserts the current time. No typing, no clock checking. Shortcut number 8, Alt plus equals to instantly total your sales. You've got a column of sales figures. Instead of typing the sum formula manually, click the empty cell just below the last sales figure and press Alt plus equals. Excel instantly inserts the sum formula for the entire column. Hit Enter and you get your total sales. Shortcut number 9, Ctrl plus E to flash fill like a pro. Your sales sheet has a name column with full names, but you need first names in one column and last names in another. First, in a new column, type John next to John Smith. Press Ctrl plus E, and Excel instantly fills down all first names for the entire list. Do the same for last names, type Smith. Hit Ctrl plus E, and done. Shortcut number 10, Ctrl plus arrow keys to navigate large data. Let's say you're working with 500 rows of sales records. Scrolling with the mouse? That's a waste of time. Instead, press Ctrl plus down arrow to instantly jump from the first row to the very last entry in your dataset. Need to go back? Press Ctrl plus up arrow. You can also use Ctrl plus right arrow or Ctrl plus left arrow to zip across columns, from name to remarks in a blink. Shortcut number 11. Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys to select large data ranges. Let's say you need to highlight the entire sales column. Instead of dragging your mouse for ages, simply click the first cell. Hold Ctrl plus Shift and tap the down arrow. In one keystroke, Excel instantly selects the entire column of sales data. Need the whole table? Hold Ctrl plus Shift and tap right arrow to extend the selection across name, department, sales, date, and remarks. Shortcut 12. Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y. Let's say you're updating the sales column and accidentally overwriting John Smith's sales with the wrong number. No panic, no problem. Just press Ctrl plus Z and Excel instantly restores the original value. But what if you change your mind again? Press Ctrl plus Y, and your last change is reapplied instantly. Together, they're your safety net, letting you work fearlessly without worrying about costly mistakes. Shortcut number 13. Ctrl plus H to find and replace entire columns in seconds. Let's say you've reviewed your sales report and decided that every good remark should be upgraded to excellent. Instead of hunting through dozens of rows, press Ctrl plus H to open the Find and Replace window. In Find What, type Good. In Replace With, type Excellent. Click Replace All, and in less than a second, remark changes from good to excellent, along with every other matching entry. Shortcut number 14. Alt plus Enter to add multiple lines in a single cell. Let's say in the Remarks column, you want to add more details for John Smith's sales record. Instead of merging cells or creating extra columns, just click into his Remarks cell and type Excellent. Then press Alt plus Enter. Now type Top Seller Q1. Both notes appear on separate lines inside the same cell, perfectly aligned and easy to read. Shortcut number 15. Ctrl plus D and Ctrl plus R to fill down and fill right. Let's say you've just entered Marketing in the Department column for Jane Doe, and you realize the next 10 rows are also Marketing. Instead of typing Marketing over and over, simply select Jane's cell plus the empty cells below. Press Ctrl plus D, and boom, the department name instantly fills down the column. Need to copy data or a formula across the same row? Just press Ctrl plus R. Shortcut number 16. Ctrl plus G to instantly jump anywhere in your sheet. Scrolling through hundreds of rows to find something is a waste of time. Instead, press Ctrl plus G. Type a cell address like D25. And hit Enter. Excel takes you there instantly. Shortcut number 17. Alt plus WFF to keep your headers always visible. Ever scroll down your sales report and suddenly forget which column is sales and which is remarks? That ends now. Highlight the row just below your headers. Then press Alt plus WFF. Instantly, Excel freezes the top row, so your column titles stay locked in place, no matter how far you scroll. Shortcut number 18. Ctrl plus 1. The sales column shows plain numbers, and the date column is stuck as serial codes like this. To format it properly, first select the cells. Press Ctrl plus 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. From here, you can convert it to currency. Convert serials to dates. Or add custom styles, borders, and colors. Shortcut number 19. Ctrl plus F to find anything in seconds. Scrolling through hundreds of rows to find one entry? Forget it. Just hit Ctrl plus F. Now type what you need. And Excel quickly highlights every match. It's the fastest way to navigate your data without scrolling endlessly. Shortcut number 20. Ctrl Shift and plus to insert a row or column. Need to add a new sales record above Emily Devy's row? Just click any cell in his row. Then press Ctrl Shift and plus. A blank row appears instantly, ready for your new data. And there you have it, 20 mind-blowing Excel shortcuts that can save you hours every single week. The more you use them, the faster and more confident you'll become in Excel. So, pick a few and start practicing today. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more quick Excel tips.